Here's how to import background music into Adobe Premiere Pro. One quick disclaimer before we get started: if you plan on making content for YouTube or another video platform, you want to make sure that the music you're using is copyright free. If you use copyright music in one of your videos, it could get your video taken down or copyright claimed, and it could affect your channel monetization in the future. So you just really want to make sure that the background music you're using is non-copyrighted. If you're serious about content creation and have a little bit of money to spend, the place that I recommend getting music from is Epidemic Sound. It's what I use personally whenever I need background music for videos, and it has something like over 50,000 non-copyright songs and 200,000 sound effects. It's a pretty popular site that a ton of other big content creators use too. If you want to check it out, I'll leave my link to it down in the description. That'll give you a 7-day free trial. Alright, so here we are back on Premiere Pro. As you can see, I already got my video here on the timeline. So what we want to do to import our music is come to the top corner and click on File, then click on Import. Once you click on that, it's going to open up the File Explorer on your computer. So go ahead and find the song you want to use. Mine is in my music, and here it is at the top. So if you want to use it, go ahead, click on it, and then click on Open. When it's imported, it'll pop up here with all your project files. So now all you need to do is go ahead and drag the song onto your timeline here. Now, if you plan on using this song here as background music, you're going to want to turn it down a bit. So to turn it down, all you need to do is find the line that you can see here in the middle of the track, and then just pull it down. If you want to change the length of the song so that it fits the video, all you need to do is drag the ends of the song. So you can see here I get this little red icon pop up when I hover over the ends of the song, and I just need to go ahead and drag it in. If you want to have your background music slowly fade in and out, come to the end of your song until you get this red icon again, then right click and click on Apply Default Transitions. You're going to want to do that to the back of the song here so it fades out, and then do the same thing to the front of the song so that it fades in. So that's pretty much it. If this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.